Hello everyone, this is part 2 of the vlog. Today we are going for KSRTC one-day package tour to Somanathapura, Talakadu, Madhya, Ranga, Gaganachukki and Bharachukki. We'll meet there. Currently we are in Mysore satellite bus stand and this is the bus we are going to board on. We had 30 idli as breakfast and headed over to Somanathapura.
Hey, super. Push it. Trees என்ன அழகா தெரியுது தெரியுமா? வீடியோஸ் சாக்கதா. Uso. Sakal bana hai? Then we stopped for lunch before heading to the next location. Nestled just a few kilometers from Bangalore is the Rangasthala Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple. It is a hidden spiritual gem waiting to be discovered. The ancient temple is dedicated to Lord Ranganatha, a reclining form of Lord Vishnu resting on the serpent Adishesha. Unlike the larger and more crowded temples, Rangasthala offers a quiet, blissful experience ideal for those seeking a break from the city's noise. Next up, we are headed towards the Bharachukki Waterfalls. Tucked away in the heart of Karnataka, about 130 kilometers from Bangalore, lies one of the nature's most breathtaking spectacles, the Bharachukki Waterfalls. A part of the mighty Somanathapura Falls, Bharachukki is where the Kaveri River cascades down in stunning sheets of white, creating a roaring symphony of water, mist and magic. With a drop of around 70 to 90 feet, the waterfall forms a wide, multi-tiered curtain that feels both powerful and peaceful all at once. Surrounded by lush greenery, rocky cliffs, and soothing hum of nature, Bharachukki is a visual feast, especially during the monsoon season from July to September when the falls are in full glory. What makes Bharachukki special is not just its beauty but its accessibility. Well-laid steps lead visitors down to a stunning viewpoint where you can feel the cool mist on your face and hear the thunder of the water crashing below. For those seeking serenity, early mornings and weekdays offer a quieter experience with nature. And yes, there's no boating allowed here for safety, but the view alone is worth the visit. Don't forget to try the local snacks sold near the parking area, perfect after a mini trek down and up the steps. Bharachukki is often paired with its twin Gaganachukki Falls located just a short drive away, together forming a perfect weekend escape filled with nature, photography and adventure. Whether you are a solo traveler, a family explorer, Bharachukki Waterfalls is where nature puts on a grand show, raw, rhythmic and completely unforgettable. Hidden amidst the rocky hills and lush greenery of Karnataka lies a natural wonder that takes your breath away, Gaganachukki Waterfalls. Located near the town of Somanathapura, just around 120 kilometers from Bangalore, Gaganachukki is one of the two stunning segments of the famous Somanathapura Falls, the other being Bharachukki. Together, they form a twin cascade carved by the powerful Kaveri River. With its vertical plunge of over 90 meters, crashing down in a fierce, thundering roar. Especially during the monsoon season, the water gushes down with full force, creating a misty, magical atmosphere, a sight that leaves you awestruck. The viewing platform at Gaganachukki is perfectly positioned to give you a panoramic view of the entire falls, with the sound of water echoing through the valley and the mist rising from the depths. It is truly an experience that hits all your senses. Gaganachukki is not accessible for close-up treks or boating, but its grandeur is best admired from a distance. distance, where the waterfall's raw beauty and the scale can be truly appreciated. On one side, you can also spot a hydroelectric power station built in the early 1900s, one of Asia's first. It's a quiet reminder of how this majestic river powers both nature